up what the tax burden is in that state.
Right.
And the cost of living.
Yeah. Yep.
I gotta find that story.
And then the cities, like the city of New York. You've got to pay for what you make on the days you work in New York.
Have you been waiting for just the right job? Then welcome to the end of your search. Amazon has seasonal warehouse jobs in your area, and now is a great time to apply. You can start getting paid right away and work close to home. Applying is easy. You don't even need an interview. So what are you waiting for? Come join the team and get a great seasonal job offer today. Visit Amazon.com/hiring. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer.
Buying a home? Rocket Mortgage will cover 1% of your rate for the first year at no cost to you with Inflation Buster. That's more road trips, more front row seats. Plus, if rates drop within 3 years of your home purchase, you get exclusive savings when you refinance with Rate Drop Advantage. Save when you buy today and refinance tomorrow. Call 8337-ROCKET today or visit inflationbuster.com to start saving.
For fees, covered rate, like date requirements, and other terms and conditions, visit inflationbuster.com. Call 1-8337-ROCKET. Equal housing lender license, all 50 states. NMLS Consumer Access.org, number 3030.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and fa-la-la. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog Max stealing your tree. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coke offer.
Let me guess. Unknown caller? You could reduce the number of unwanted calls and emails with online privacy protection. The latest innovation from Discover will help regularly remove your personal info, like your name and address, from 10 popular people search websites that could sell your data. And we'll do it for free. Activate in the Discover app. See terms and learn more at discover.com/online privacy protection.
This is the sound of a girl who had 15 surgeries before her 5th birthday. A girl who used to spend all day just wishing she could play. A girl with a determined spirit that couldn't be broken by a defective heart. When her heart began to fail, Audrey's resilience and her UC Davis surgeon prevailed. This open enrollment, choose the care that changes your story. Visit choosehealth.ucdavis.edu to learn more. UC Davis Health, discovering healthy.
Wendy's new French toast sticks are so delicious, some are saying that they're better than their mom's breakfast.
Excuse me, did you just say Wendy's new French toast sticks are better than my breakfast?
Mom, is that you?
Answer the question.
I said some people are saying that because they're so crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside and perfect in every way.
Uh-huh. And what do you think?
I think it's time to tell people to choose wisely. Choose Wendy's new sweet and crispy home-style French toast sticks.
That's still not an answer.
Participating U.S. Wendy's during breakfast hours.
Red Eye Radio wherever you are with the Red Eye Radio app. Available on Android and iPhone. Download it now from the App Store or by visiting us at redeyeradioshow.com.
Are you retired or retiring soon? Do you know how much money you need to live comfortably? Retirement Planners of America is here for you. These may feel like scary times. Several economists are saying that a recession is imminent. So what do you do? Ancient wisdom says plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. Would you like to have financial peace of mind? Here's how. Step 1. Find out the amount of money you'll need to retire. Step 2. Have an actionable plan to get there. Step 3. Make sure that plan is executed to take advantage of market gains, but protect you from market losses. We would like to give you a free, no-obligation consultation to help you do all three. We will help you discover your magic number and give you the roadmap to get there. Call now to schedule your free consultation. 800-508-6108. That's 800-508-6108. 800-508-6108. Don't wait. Call 800-508-6108.
All investments involve risk, including losses. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
If you're a trucking industry professional, then you need to stay on top of changing regulations, equipment upgrades, and technology advancements. Fleet Owner Magazine gives you all of this and more. Written for fleet executives and managers, Fleet Owner gives you the business intelligence on operations, vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology you need to stay ahead. But that's not all. With its monthly print publication, daily and weekly email newsletters, and a website updated several times a day, Fleet Owner has all the latest news and information delivered to you when you want it and where you want it. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source for trucking information in North America. Remember to visit fleetowner.com every day for the latest industry news. You can also sign up to receive Newsline, their free email newsletter, and subscribe to Fleet Owner magazine. Visit fleetowner.com. Fleet Owner, for news you can use.
You're listening to Red Eye Radio on Talk Radio 560. KSFO. If you missed what they just said, it'll be on our app and website to hear later this morning. RedEyeRadioShow.com.
And he is Eric Carly, and I'm Gary McNamara, 86690 Red Eye. Getting lost in the midterm election, President Biden was involved in a family gambling business venture in Latin America when he was vice president. A whistleblower revealed on Monday. The revelation again contradicts Biden's vow that he never spoke to his son on multiple occasions about the family's business venture. Well, we've known that's been a lie for the longest time. That's been the biggest Achilles heel in all of this. That's what gets you an investigation, is that lie is obvious. And he's still sticking with it.
And the question would be, why did you feel the need to lie?
The informant told the Daily Mail Joe Biden's involvement included conducting a conference call in 2012 with Hunter Biden, his business associates, the late Harry Reid, and his son about the online gambling platform, which was operating in Mexico, Peru, Uruguay, and Argentina. Quote, with the direct observations I've had, it's obvious Joe was participating in the business, the source stated. He wasn't passive. He was talking about it. If I had to describe him, he was like a member of the board of directors. The whistleblower described additional interactions from the phone call. Harry Reid asked whether or not the Peruvian government had been taken care of. The source said. Cooper replied that it had been taken care of. The Peruvian cooperation was in place. That's when Joe Biden said, that's what we need to hear more of, boys. We need to be making progress, or something like that. It was a comment that was endorsing that he was happy that things were proceeding. He had all sorts of questions about other stuff. Do we need to be doing other things with the government officials? What do we need to do to get this moving ahead? He asked about what the revenue projections were and how soon the software would be ready. Emails from Hunter show that Cooper valued the gambling business at around $30 million in 2011, with the Argentina component worth $10 million in March of 2012. Emails also reveal Hunter had an interest in the parent company, which yielded the president's son a 2015 gain of $300,000, along with income of $77,000 and a long-term capital gain of $584,000 in 2017 and a gain of $646,000 in 2019. The publication reported by 2016, Hunter reportedly ended up with a 3% stake in the parent company. It is not unknown if Joe received any income or kickbacks from the deal, as he tried to do with businessman and whistleblower Tony Bobulinski, who revealed in 2020 that Joe Biden was promised 10% of the deal with the Chinese Communist Party-linked Chinese energy company. So, that story coming out, the Republicans are going to go full bore into that, because as we've said, the problem, when you see what the Democrats investigated Trump for. Number one, with collusion. They had nothing. They had nothing. They knew they had nothing. Right. When the Mueller investigation started,